How to cancel booking.com hotel reservation. Now if you want to cancel your hotel reservation on booking.com, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the booking.com application. Once you launch the booking.com app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now what you want to do from here is, simply go to the option that says bookings, as you can see right here. Now when you come to the bookings option, you'll be able to see all of your active, past or cancelled booking. So simply find the reservation that you'd like to cancel. Just tap on the reservation to open it, and from there you'll find the cancel reservation or similar option. You can also review the cancellation policy if they offer you that, or any fees that is associated with it. After you cancel it, if it is successfully cancelled, you'll be able to locate them within the cancel folder. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.